Welcome to Nature with Aristotle, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of natural science. The Aldabra Giant Tortoise is a species of tortoise that can be found on the islands of the Aldabra Atoll in the Seychelles. But what makes this tortoise so special? To start with, it's one of the largest tortoises in the world, with some individuals reaching up to 4 feet in length and weighing over 900 pounds. That's as big as a small car! But size isn't everything. These gentle giants have been around for millions of years, and their story is closely tied to the history of our planet. From an evolutionary perspective, the Aldabra Giant Tortoise has been on Earth since the time of the dinosaurs. Fossil records show that tortoises have remained largely unchanged for over 200 million years, making them one of the most enduring species on the planet. The first scientific documentation of the Aldabra Giant Tortoise dates back to the 18th century, when French naturalist Philibert Commerson described the species during a voyage to the Seychelles. But what about their scientific background? The Aldabra Giant Tortoise is classified as Geochelinae gigantea, and it's a member of the family Testudinidae. These tortoises are found on the islands of the Aldabra Atoll, where they inhabit a unique ecosystem that includes coral reefs, mangrove forests, and grasslands. The atoll is home to a diverse range of species, including sea turtles, marine birds, and fish, making it an important habitat for marine conservation. Our understanding of the Aldabra Giant Tortoise has evolved significantly over time, thanks to the work of key naturalists and researchers like Charles Darwin, who studied the tortoises during his voyage on the Beagle. In recent years, scientists have made significant discoveries about the behavior, ecology, and conservation status of these incredible animals. For example, research has shown that Aldabra giant tortoises are herbivores, feeding on a variety of plants including grasses, leaves, and fruits. They also have a unique way of communicating with each other through a series of grunts, groans, and hisses. One fascinating observation about the Aldabra giant tortoise is its ability to survive for long periods without water. These tortoises can go up to 6 months without drinking, getting moisture from the plants they eat and storing it in their bodies. This adaptation is crucial for their survival on the islands of the Aldabra Atoll, where freshwater is scarce. The Aldabra Giant Tortoise also has some remarkable ecological relationships. For example, these tortoises play a vital role in dispersing seeds on the islands, helping to maintain the diversity of plant species. They also have a symbiotic relationship with certain bird species, which feed on ticks and other parasites that live on the tortoise's skin. Unfortunately, the Aldabra Giant Tortoise is facing significant threats to its survival. Habitat destruction, climate change, and the introduction of invasive species like rats and goats have all taken a toll on their population. According to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, the Aldabra Giant Tortoise is listed as vulnerable, with estimates suggesting that there are only around 100,000 individuals remaining in the wild. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this incredible creature and its habitat. The Seychelles government has established a number of protected areas, including the Aldabra Atoll Special Reserve, which provides a safe haven for the tortoises and other endemic species. Organizations like the World Wildlife Fund and the IUCN are also working to protect the Aldabra Giant Tortoise through research, conservation, and community engagement. These incredible creatures have been on our planet for millions of years, and their story is closely tied to the history of our planet itself. The Aldabra Giant Tortoise may seem like a slow-moving, gentle giant, but it plays a vital role in maintaining the health and diversity of its ecosystem. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.